Ruff Tuff makes America's finest custom seat covers for cars, trucks, SUVs, and UTVs. We'd like to give you an inside look at our manufacturing process and the extraordinary detail involved in making your custom covers. This video focuses on the gluing of our fabric to our foam, and we're also going to see all the pieces come together for our 2019 Ford F-250 with diamond quilt inserts and the sewing process. We use foam on the seating areas of our covers to increase comfort and durability, and to protect your original seats. Our foam is fire retardant and comes with a scrim backing to ensure it doesn't fall apart with the normal wear and tear of sliding in and out of your vehicle. When the customer chooses to diamond quilt the insert of their covers, we actually double the foam for a more luxurious look and to increase comfort. 4 different sewers will work on this project. It's important that every sewer is precise in what they do to make sure that we get that custom fit. Here you can see one of our sewers working on our special ops package. Every stitch of a Ruff Tuff custom seat cover is sewn in the USA. Next, you'll see one of our sewers working on the attachment systems. These systems will allow the customer to securely install the seat covers. And here's the final product: brown soft touch diamond quilted insert with our multicam trim.